Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of notifications on the application of Chatbot AI Nova. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then we'll search for Chatbot AI Nova. And you will click here. After that we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here we go to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to press the bell icon and subscribe. See you next time.